Aperio is a wireless toolkit in an access control system. An access control system decides who gets access, to where, and when. Many times this is done by wires, you connect cables everywhere, but Aperio helps you to do this in a wireless way.
It has an end cap here that can be disassembled to change the battery of the handle. This black part is plastic. It allows the antenna to read the signal of the card. And it has like feedback lights running on this edge, on the top and on the bottom, so you can actually install the handle either way. And still have readability of the LED feedback light. And of course we have the rosette that covers the hole on the door. The main challenge for this product was to integrate all the electronics inside a normal handle without oversizing the handle itself.
Design is very important, and not only to bring Asabler together as a group. I mean, we have a history of many different companies within the company, and you want things to look the same around the door, the same look and feel of handles and cylinders and similar. But it's also a very powerful way to protecting on what you do. For instance, we have a product that has been on the market for 10 years and it's been copied quite a lot, and it's actually through the design and the design protection that we managed to keep off the copycats. So it's very important to work with design and also protecting your design.